right, we have just arrived at Imaging, getting our hotel room. Really sweet, our first time at the Gaylord Hotel. It is enormous. We actually have our own little porch, perfect for morning coffee. This is just one of the common areas. This place is enormous. We are now in photographer nirvana. If you've never been here, why the hell not? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you could probably tell from the intro, it has been a heck of a week. It's been a whirlwind. I just got back from Nashville, Tennessee at the Imaging USA Expo and Conference. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, Imaging USA is the annual convention put on by Professional Photographers of America. It is about an equipment expo. It is about education. It is about networking. It is about fun. If you are a photographer, I would guarantee you may have more fun at Imaging USA than you've ever had anywhere else because you have 10,000 fellow photographers there with you. We're all talking to each other and it is so much fun. Imaging USA is for professional photographers, but it's not only for studio owners like myself who have been doing this for a long time. It's about professionals or aspiring professionals. If you want to be a professional, starting with Professional Photographers of America and going to Imaging USA is just about the biggest favor you can do for yourself because your head will explode. You will get so much information, so much hands-on, so much everything that it's just the best possible start you could have to a professional career. Okay, so let's get to it. What is this all about? What is this Imaging USA thing all about? Well, as you saw in the thumbnail, it is an enormous equipment expo. And especially if you're a Canon user, you will see all the goodies. Yeah, it's big. It's really big. Yeah, behind this wall is all the new goodies.
There are some other differences too, but
oh yeah. Honestly, the Equipment Expo is about a whole lot more than cameras. Cameras are actually a small part of it. It's a huge amount of equipment, lighting, backdrops, printed materials, because what are you going to do with your photography as a professional once you've done it? You've got to deliver it. Albums, books, wall art. It's mecca for a photographer who's trying to understand the best way to make money from their photography. Nice to find your own stuff here in the booth. I appreciate it.
absolutely. Thanks for letting us use it.
You have got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Enlargers? Oh my God. Wow. I thought these were gone forever. Don't get the idea that it's just about equipment though. It's really about education. Imaging USA is about helping you be a better photographer. And I'm going to tell you, when you go, you'll see programs that you may go, I'm not sure. And when you walk out, you're going to go, yeah, they knew exactly what you needed. Because they do. They're professionals like you. The educational value is immense. You're all about the shooting? Wow. Are you in luck? There are hands-on work spots, pop-up photography sessions with models, with lights, with photographers showing you how they do their lighting and letting you shoot with their lighting pattern. I mean, how much better can it get? You are curious about how to do X, Y, or Z? Go do it. Bring your camera and shoot. know I'm pretty pumped up in this video, but that's why I go to imaging every year, to get inspired, get refreshed, and tackle 2023 with new energy. I hope I've inspired you to look into PPA and maybe go to imaging next year yourself, and maybe we can see each other. Hey guys, until the next video, thanks so much for coming to the channel. Cheers.